This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink a shape to a phone number in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now. To hyperlink a shape to a phone number in PowerPoint, it's very easy to do. I have a little example project opened up here and I have some shapes. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this shape right here to a phone number to make the shape a clickable link. First thing you want to do is select the shape. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over it. I have some text on my shape, so I want to make sure that I'm not selecting the text. My mouse cursor looks like a bunch of arrows here. I'm going to left click. I have the shape selected now. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, and you want to make sure you're on the Insert tab. Insert. Then on the ribbon, you'll go about halfway down to where it says Link, and you want to click on Link. Then you'll go straight down to where it says Insert Link and click on Insert Link. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on Existing File or Web Page. Then at the bottom, this is the formula right here that you use to hyperlink a phone number in PowerPoint. You want to start off with tel, colon, // followed by the phone number including the area code. I'm just going to use a fictional phone number here. And you want to end it with a /. Then you go down to the bottom of that dialog box and you click on OK. Now if I hover my mouse over that shape now, it says it's hyperlinked to this phone number, and to test it you want to hold down the control key and left click on it. I'm going to hold down the control key and I'm going to left click on the shape. It opens up my phone app. That is how to hyperlink a shape to a phone number in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.